Hey guys, this is SploitX. Welcome back to our new video about Macchanger. This will help us change our MAC address. So first question is that why we need a Macchanger, or why we need to change a MAC address. So the Macchanger basically is a tool for Linux which is used to change a MAC address, which is media access control of a network interface. Changing the MAC address can enhance privacy and security by making it harder to track a device on a network, as a MAC address is a unique identifier for network interfaces. This can also help bypass network restrictions or filter based on MAC addresses and facilitate network testing and troubleshooting by simulating different devices. Let's start with the terminal here. So in a terminal we will go to the utility Macchanger -help. So this will help us understand how this tool works. -H for help, -V to check the version. It will print and exit the version. Just show this MAC address. Let's use this flag Macchanger -S. But we also need to add an interface at the end of this command. Let's see our interface name. So we will type ifconfig. So here is ENS33 is our interface name. Clear this one more time. Macchanger. Here we will add the name of our interface. So it will tell us what is our current MAC address and what is our permanent MAC address. Let's go again with the help. This will show us the MAC addresses. Okay. We will don't change the vendor with the -E. So it will change the MAC address, but it will not change the vendor of MAC address. And another for a -A, it will set a random MAC address of the same kind. -A will random MAC address of any kind. Try this Macchanger -A and the interface name. Do not change could not change because operation is not permitted. So we will add the permissions of sudo here. Parrot. So you can see here is our current, here is our permanent. So here is a new MAC address which will be allocated here. Now check one more time. You can see the both MAC addresses are changed. So our current MAC address is our new MAC address, which is of a Chinese company. Let's change our flag to -A to entirely different. Sudo is again needed. It is now changed to Intel, which is totally different from this MAC address. So let's again check it. So now our machine is an Intel machine. Our permanent MAC address is a different, which is associated to some VMware instance. But our current MAC address is now showing that we are working with the Intel interface card. Further, let's move to help again. Reset the original to permanent MAC address. So if we want to change back to our original MAC address, -p or safe side will MAC address back to the original permanent MAC address. So here are some different options which you can explore. Just go to Macchanger. Here is the official documentation of a Macchanger, which you can read in a detail and try each option one by one, and this will help you for being anonymous while you are doing pen testing, or while you are using some other different tools on a network on which you want to avoid yourself from detection. So this is it for today. We will back with a new video. Till then, peace.